Now we see the compound phosphine. Phosphine is a hydride of phosphorus. Preparation of phosphine. White phosphorus react with sodium hydroxide in an inert atmosphere like carbon dioxide or hydrogen to give phosphine gas. But the product of phosphine is not pure form, it is combined with phosphine dihydride. So now we remove the phosphine dihydride by passing the mixture of phosphine and phosphine dihydride through the freezing mixer. Phosphine dihydride only combined with freezing mixer. So we remove the phosphine dihydride from phosphine gas. So we get pure phosphine. Next, phosphine prepared from any other metal phosphide. For example, calcium phosphide undergoes hydrolysis with water or any other acid like hydrochloric acid to produce phosphine gas, allowing the product of calcium hydroxide and calcium chloride. Next, we get pure phosphine from phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid, when heated, it gives phosphoric acid with pure phosphine gas. A sample of impure phosphine is purified by the following steps. Impure phosphine react with hydroiodic acid to give phosphonium iodide. This react with sodium hydroxide when on heating to give pure form of phosphine. Next, we see the properties of phosphine. Phosphine gas is a colorless rotten fish smell and poisonous gas. It is slightly soluble in water and also it condenses to a liquid at 188 Kelvin temperature and also it freezes to a liquid at 139.5 Kelvin temperature. Next, we see the chemical properties of phosphine. When phosphine is heated at 317 Kelvin temperature, it decomposes into corresponding elements of phosphorus and hydrogen. If phosphine gases is heated with air and or oxygen, it gives phosphorus pentoxide. Further, it changes into metaphosphoric acid, HPO3. Next, phosphine gas is act as basic in nature. So, phosphine gas combined with hydroiodic acid to give phosphonium iodide compound. Next, phosphine react with any other halogen to give corresponding pentahalide. For example, phosphine react with chlorine to give phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphine gas acts as reducing agent. So it precipitates some of the metal from their salt solutions. For example, phosphine gas react with silver nitrate. It change into silver phosphate. Next, phosphine gas acts as Lewis base because it is a electron rich compound. In phosphine, phosphorus has one lone pair of electron. So it donates to any other electron deficient compound to form coordination compound. So phosphine gas behave as Lewis base. Next, structure of phosphine. In phosphine, phosphorus shows sp3 hybridization. In these 4 orbitals, 3 orbitals are occupied by bond pair and fourth corner is occupied by lone pair of electrons. Hence, its bond angle is reduced to 94. Phosphine has a pyramidal shape. Next, we see uses of phosphine. It acts as Holmes signal. I explain about the Holmes signal. We taken calcium mixture is in a container. The container has hole at the top. The mixture of compound is calcium phosphide and calcium carbide. This container thrown into the sea water, it contact with the water, it produces red flame due to formation of acetylene and phosphine. Phosphine gets ignited spontaneously as it contact with the air and also ignites acetylene. So it produces red flame. This is used as a signal to the approaching ships.